Hello, do you know how to add fractions like this? Okay, so if you don't, that's great, because we're about to tell you how to do it. Okay, so addition of fractions is very easy. Okay, so you have the top number, which is the numerator, and the bottom number, which is the denominator. And all you have to do is, to get this one right, is you just add the numerators together. So what is 2 plus 1? Yes, well done, it's 3. But because this is the whole number, you don't change the denominator, it stays the same. So it just stays a 7. So the answer would be 3/7. Let's give you another one, all right? 4/9, let's say, plus 2/9. What would be the answer? I'll give you a couple of seconds. Well done, well done. It is 6/9. Very good, okay? Use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!